celebrate. Welcome back to my channel. I've been MIA for a couple of weeks, or a few weeks I guess, not a couple anymore. It's just been a very, very busy season at work. I work in fashion on the corporate side of things, and in like slow traditional fashion there's 4 seasons, and at the start of every season, and by season I mean like I'm looking at 2025 at the moment. At the start of every season that I'm working on, I have like 2 weeks where I'm just totally focused on work. I work late, my brain is fried, and it's just like I have no time for anything else. On top of that, Kevin just came back, if you saw from my previous vlog. So I've also just been spending every spare minute with him that I had. It's also just in general been super social lately because it is December. There's like Christmas parties, holiday parties left and right. So but yeah, things are settling down. This weekend we went to Dusseldorf, Germany. It was me, Kevin, and his mom. We went to see the Christmas markets because like of that busy season, I've not seen anything holiday-ish yet, other than the couple of holiday parties that I went to. So like when you're in Europe, there's all these Christmas markets around, but I hadn't seen not even one. Dusseldorf is just a very short drive from Apeldoorn, which is where Kevin's mum lives. So we just went there for the day. I couldn't vlog. It's just really difficult vlogging in Germany because they have so many strict laws and like not filming people in public, things like that. So I have some clips which I'm gonna share now, but it's not like a complete vlog. But enjoy. Yeah. I was gonna say, like, do all German cities...
Yeah, I'm wondering as well.
...have one of these? Let us know in the comments. Of the Takumi. Yeah. Yummy. No, Home Alone karena nggak available at Netflix. Or because you're bored of it. But I love it. Harus. Iya. Today I am just home alone. I've had such a thirst for being alone because it's been so social and so busy at work. So I'm gonna spend it, I had like a very chill morning, and I'm now gonna build an IKEA wardrobe. Thank God it has arrived because I've just been living out of a suitcase and like my drying racks this past couple of months, so it's a bit sad. There's literally no progress on the bedroom. Mattress is still on the floor because Kevin and I cannot decide on a bed frame for the life of us. Like, we really just cannot decide. I also want to put the desk together that I failed to put up on my like 2 vlogs ago maybe, because I didn't have the parts. Turns out I was using the wrong set of parts. I was using something for something else. So I found the correct Ziploc bag of like screws and stuff. So I want to put the desk together as well because that should be an easy job. Yeah, and then we'll see what happens, but let's go to the bedroom. It's very dark today. It's not the worst, but it's just very cloudy and my bedroom is darker. So bear with me on the footage. Ouch, my thumb.
Playlist called Christmas Hits.
I'm on my period, so I've been craving the nuclear noodles. I've been craving something just like painfully spicy. So here I have that, a fried egg. I love to pop my yellows and fry the yellow as well. And then some, what do you call these, baby romaines to make like little sums, little wraps. Bon appetito! This is progress so far. I stacked the doors there, but basically the frame is done. The hinges for the doors are on. The support for the bottom is up. The door stoppers, everything is done basically with the frame, and I just need to flip it over, put the backing on, and then flip it over again and put the doors on. But for that, I will definitely need reinforcements, so I will wait for Kevin to get here for that. It's December 26th, so second day of Christmas. Shops are back open, so I'm gonna take you to the Passage because I want to go to a bookstore there. It's called the English Bookstore. I'm learning Dutch, but I'm not there yet that I could have the confidence to buy a book in Dutch, buy and read a book in Dutch. So I'm going to the English store. It's really cute. It's in this place called the Passage, which is an indoor like lane, I guess, of shops, and it's decorated super pretty. And they have their Christmas decorations up at the moment, so I wanted to take you guys along so my vlogs could also have a little bit of Christmas vibes. And then I'm also gonna head to Amazing Oriental, which is, it won't be the first time I've taken you there. And also Sostene Grene, the store that I don't think I'm pronouncing correctly. Kevin was here a minute ago. He helped me finish the wardrobe. But now he's at Grotemarkt to meet his friend from Jakarta. So I might join him later if he's still out. If not, I'll just go home.